In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam app already running error. This happens when a Steam or game process doesn't shut down properly and lingers in the background. Blocking new launches. I'll walk you through quick fixes and a reliable repair method, all in a clear, safe order. First, force close Steam with Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together, or right-click your taskbar and choose Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything named Steam or Steam 32-bit, and any game processes that might be stuck. If you see them, right-click each one and choose End Task. Don't worry, this only closes what's already running. It won't uninstall anything. Once everything Steam-related is gone from the list, open Steam again and see if the error is resolved. If Steam itself opens fine, but a specific game still says it's already running, target the game's process. In Task Manager, find the game's executable, usually the name of the game ending in .exe or any related anti-cheat process, and end it. Next, check your mods, since outdated or broken mods can keep a phantom process alive. In Steam, go to your library, click the game, choose Manage, then browse local files. In the folder that opens, delete any folders named mods. If you want to keep custom content, back it up elsewhere first, then put it back later once everything is working. After that, verify the game's files. In your library, right-click the game, select Properties. Go to Local Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and replace anything missing or corrupted, which often clears the stuck state. If the problem persists, repair your Steam installation without touching your games. Open your Steam installation folder by default. That's C drive program files, x86 Steam, though yours may differ if you chose another drive. In that folder, delete everything except Steam. exe and the Steam apps folder. Do not delete Steam apps as that contains your games and content. When that's done, restart your computer to clear any lingering background services. After the restart, launch Steam exe from the same folder. Steam will rebuild its core files automatically and refresh itself, while preserving your installed games. When it opens, try launching your game again. That's it. Thanks for watching.